Fetch. Hey. Sit. Sit. Just sit. Hey, hey. Here. Here. Sit. Fetch. Sit. Dead. You know why I say dead? It's for the birds, right? They bring the bird. If the birds are wounded, they gotta keep them in their mouth. Otherwise, the bird flies away.
Yeah.
So when I say dead, it means that the bird is dead. You can leave it now, and then give it to me.
Ah, okay.
Right? Now watch this. Hey, sit. See, ideally, when you say sit, they should sit until you tell them to do something else.
Yeah.
Now these are all temptation, right? I do this. Hey, Jesse. Jesse. Sit. Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Sit. So ideally, you can do this. See?
Ah, that's good. Nice, Jesse.
Hey, hey, leave it. Even like that. And then you feed them. So you tell them,